Hey guys, this is a Tyre 601 TT. Today I will show you how to use this device to program the TPMS sensor. This function allows you to program the sensor data to the specific sensor and replace faulty sensor with low battery life or one that is not functioning. First, we enter the TPMS function and select the background. As you can see here, we support many backgrounds, and actually we support more than 100 car brands like BMW, Audi, and Tesla. They are support, and now we select Tesla and select the Model 3. There are three options available for programming the sensor: replication, manual, auto. So let's do it one by one. Replication. This function allows you to write in the retrieved original sensor data to the specific sensor. It is used after the original sensor is triggered. From the active screen, select the specific hue position and trigger the original sensor. After the information is retrieved, it will be displayed on the screen. We choose the hue and close the sensor here. Now, chopped active. As you can see here, the activation ID. And now chop programming and chop replication. You can see the ID. Now we chop programming. Once programmed with replication, the specific sensor can be installed in the hue detector to be mounted on the vehicle, and the TPMS warning light will turn off. Just wait the process finish. As you can see, the activation ID had copied. Now, the option 2 menu. This function allows you to manually enter sensor ID. You can enter the random ID or the original sensor ID if it is available. First, we select the hue and chop manual. Now we enter the ID, a string with length 8, as you like, but it is length 8. Chop OK, and chop programming. Now just wait the process finish. You need to note, do not enter the same ID for each sensor. You can input you like, but you need to know, don't not enter the same ID. so we need to wait a moment. And close the sensor here. As you can see, the ID, the activation ID you input is here. And now, option 3, author. This function is designed to program the specific sensor by applying random IDs created according to the text vehicle. Then it is unable to obtain the original sensor ID. Now select the hue which needs to be programmed on the tool. Place a sensor close to the TPMS of the tool and chop alter to program. As you can see the idea here. Now chop programming. If alter is select, the TPMS relay operation needs to be performed after programming all required sensors. Now we just wait the process finish. Just key the sensor here. As you can see, the activation idea on the screen here. So this is how to program the TPMS sensor. Thank you.